Oh, that was rude.
We're gonna be driving a car, and then someone's gonna be shooting targets out of the back of the car. It's a challenge, and the loser is gonna have to eat hot sauce. So, let's go for it.
You drive so slow. Fuck the cut. Fuck this. Fuck that cut.
Here are the rules. You get 3 pass-bys. You can fire all your bullets, and the points are counted by how many targets you hit. Let's do this.
Do I start? What the fuck? This shit hard as fuck. What the fuck? This shit hard as fuck. No! Hey, you get another pass around. Oh, you wasted a ball. What the fuck? No! Hey, you get another pass around. Oh, you wasted a bullet.
Oh shit. This game fucking sucks. I hit it. I literally hit it. It doesn't knock over even if I hit it. Oh shit. This game fucking sucks. I hit it. I literally hit it. It doesn't knock over even if I hit it.
Does that count? Ready, I'm ready.
I'm ready, bro.
Watch Colin hit every single target.
Get in.
We can't even see the bullets anymore, right? Dead ass.
Yeah,
I didn't see shit during day. Nah, you legit cannot see bullets anymore.
I didn't see anything.
You can see it in this one.
Ah! You did nothing. One more round, bro.
So Sal actually did hit a target, but he wants to partake with us. This is Mad Dog 357, the hot sauce. Come get a zoom of this really quick. Look at our chips. We're all gonna put it face down on our tongue. Ben's just gonna lick it because he has a gluten allergy. And let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
That's not hot.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
And that chip tastes like shit though. Oh damn.
That's actually kind of hot.
Oh damn.
Alright. Want to eat my chip?
No. That ain't as much as I thought it'd be. It's like burning my tongue though.
Game, sir?
I thought we should have gotten the whole tablespoon.
Good game.
No, it's just getting hotter.
Yeah, my face is burning.
No, that shit kind of tastes good. I'm not even like tweaking. I'm white too.
Damn.
Alright.
You can try some of the hot sauce.
Nah, every time I swallow it gets worse though. Eat it, bro.
Now we have to put this back.
Wow.
With the hot sauce affecting our mouths.
Let's get it, boys. What the fuck is that? How hot is that?
It's probably like 3,000 something.
Damn.